when they tell me about the journey, I don't even believe say the journey go dey hard like that. I don't believe say all those kind of experience, so I must pass through those kind of experience for there. They can't give me oats. Even till today, they hold my pints. They can't carry me go there, barb my hair. That is, they can't barb hair with the my daughter. They can't barb the one with the my piece, barb the one with the hair. They can't give me alligator pepper with some. See, they can't give me this. They can't say make I swear. Say if I carry the man money run, I be the woman money run. Say if I carry the money run, I reach there, I can't they see work. I can't the woman will come put me for work. I can't run leave the work. So I don't go pay the woman. Make this thing kill me. Say guess where they even they carry. They go there, say that they appreciate that they thank him. Everybody, no one will don't carry the human money. I can't take the oaths. I can't. Then one woman for inside sister Charity. Now that's okay. Which kind of work the way be say they tell me say no work where the woman already guarantee me. Now she tell me say lie. Say only work as I did like this, as I young like this. Say the only work now to go they do a shower. If I not go pay this woman now, see the repercussion. Say this woman carry my pint. Now cause why they talk like that? Which one be saying like nothing like job? They take my pint, say up to now, see my pint, everything. He say no, say they use that one to track me down. So they say no place